Yeah, San Francisco's beautiful this time of year.
Yeah, it's pretty, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's not San Francisco. All right, this is the place to be. We're in Germany again. The Kaufland Getränkenmarkt. Let's go get some Getränken. All right, scored by the Getränken store. We got Budweiser, but it's not regular Budweiser. This is the real Budweiser from Czechoslovakia. Got some Kronbrocker, and this is where I need to be. The pissoir. Pissoir. How's it work? You got to put 20 cents in there, and then you can pissoir.